Shoot all that. I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
No.
Sit tight. I thought I was going to be able to push it up there, but I caught the edge.
Oh.
Thank you.
Are you serious?
Well, I'm not going to take a break up here, but this isn't bad. This is rock solid.
I know.
It's in there.
So I thought this was done on the side now.
What's that?
I thought this was done on the side now.
I've got blocking to do. I've got
Okay.
this block and another block. Then I've got to put the little piece of furring strip, or we're going to use an OSB for nailer for drywall for the ceiling. But that's trivial.
Okay. So, but are we boarding all the way up to the ceiling?
Yes.
Okay.
After we pull the electric through.
Okay.
Because we're bringing the electric. So the only place that we have electric coming through is all the way to the ceiling. We're going to run some lines down the sides.
Oh, right. Okay.
We've got all the blocks in. That's done. We've got a little cubby hole created up above the closet. That's done. Yesterday we completed all the framing in the bedroom and the bathroom. That is done. And we've got all the blocking put back in over here. That is done. It didn't seem like much, but it sure took a long time. Now I've got something else I need to get done on Jafana's list.
After we completed the timber trusses, we had 2 beams left. Jafana has had her eyes on those for a set of thick rustic shelves in the bedrooms. If you haven't seen the videos where we built and installed the trusses, you should check those out. I'll put the link in the description down below.
So what we're doing is ripping a beam. We're basically using a tool in a manner in which it wasn't designed.
It's gonna look really cool.
Well, it better look real cool. Because it's real annoying. Yeah. it's pretty.
Yeah, it's gonna look great.
I don't see any staples in this. Laying it down.
Yeah, but babe, if it's staying outside.
It ain't staying outside. We're putting this inside.
Okay. You just don't want to do. You just don't want to do framing anymore.
Go get my ears.
You don't want to do framing.
Please.
These two intact beams were purchased about 6 months after the others because I made a mistake and I thought I was going to have some extra wood in order to fix it.
That's a heck of a difference, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is a heck of a difference. You want it cleared up like that, or you want it like this?
Oh, like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
So that's gonna be your top?
Yeah.
Okay.
When we realized that we didn't need it for the task at hand, we set it aside and stickered it. We had it covered, but the cover blew off. With all the wind that we get, sometimes you have to hold things down with another item. Our roofing guy was up there and he had cut some pieces for the smaller sections of our roof. He grabbed those because they just looked like a bunch of aged boards and threw them on top of his pile to keep the wind from taking them down the mountain.
I can't use none of this from behind.
Oh no, are you serious? Oh my gosh.
Can't use any of that from behind.
Okay, well don't.
Jafana had said she wasn't going to let them go to waste, so here we are. Since we were on a roll, Jafana decided to have me take one of the cutoffs and make a set of shelves for one of the bathrooms.
Use none of this from behind.
Gosh.
Can't use any of that from behind.
Okay, well don't. Is my tag showing?
No, your crack is showing.
God. Okay. Just like a plumber.
If you give me my phone and a beer, I'll be set. Take a break.